Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the 10 best courses and certification to start your career in project finance. Before we begin, first we will discuss what is project finance, and then, roles and responsibilities of a project finance professional. So, let's understand, what is project finance? Project finance is the funding of long-term infrastructure, industrial projects, and public services using a non-recourse or limited recourse financial structure. Project finance is useful in the case of large projects related to industrial or renewable energy projects. The main feature of project finance is the whole amount is not invested up front. Some of the roles and responsibilities of a project finance professional are: overseeing projects relating to cash flow, financial reporting, and revenue and expenses; assisting departments in creating and managing forecasts and budgets for various projects; establishing appropriate internal controls and project governance; implementing change management strategies, ensuring stakeholders and teams are trained and adjusted to the new process. So, let's get started with the best courses and certifications. First is Certified Project Finance Analyst by Vskills. Vskills is India's largest certification body. It provides government certification and is valid for a lifetime. This course includes 13 learning hours. In this course, you will learn about technical, financial, and economic market appraisal, securities, term loans, NCD, PCD, external commercial borrowing and more. The concepts covered in this course are: project finance introduction, cash flow statements, financial cost and benefits analysis, techniques and tools of project analysis, and more. Second is Financing and Investing in Infrastructure by Coursera. This course makes you capable of analyzing a complex transaction and suggesting appropriate solutions for deal structuring from the perspective of a financial advisor. The duration of the course is 11 hours. The concepts covered in this course are: project finance and the network of contracts, syndicate, risk analysis, capital budgeting, and more. Third is Financial Modeling, Project Finance and Infrastructure by Udemy. This course proceeds with an application-led approach that guides you through an entire project finance model built in Excel. You'll learn about the way to build complex financial modeling tools from scratch in the industry. The concepts covered in this course are: core project costs and funding in projects, financing costs during construction, setting up the operational period, debt sizing calculations, and more. Fourth is Project Finance Module by NSE. This course provides comprehensive and broad-based knowledge of project finance. It helps you acquaint yourself with the estimation of the cost of a project, different tools used to assess the project's feasibility, benefits of sensitivity, scenario analysis and more. The concepts covered in this course are: project finance background, market analysis, business model, competencies, and promoter analysis, estimating cost of project, and more. Fifth is Project and Infrastructure Finance by London Business School. This program is specially designed for professionals who wish to understand the technical dynamics of investment in big projects, and aspire to develop skills in project management and infrastructure finance. The duration of the course is 5 days. The concepts covered in this course are: create value through project and infrastructure finance, understand project versus corporate finance, value and structure large-scale infrastructure projects, analyze project risks and rewards, and more. Sixth is Certified Project Finance Analyst by Project Finance Institute. This is a definitive project finance analyst workshop that delivers transformational skills development in commercial analysis, financial structuring, financial modeling, as well as negotiation. This 8-week intensive program with live classes simulates a real project from start to finish. The concepts covered in this course are: PF model setup, advanced PF modeling, case studies and final test, and more. Seventh is Project Finance by Wall Street Prep. This course is specially created for students and finance professionals who are pursuing a career in project finance and possess an understanding of the role and interests of the participants to project finance transactions, key debt, and cash flow metrics. The concepts covered in this course are: Project Finance Primer, timeline and process, construction and operations calculations, negotiations and optimizations, and more. Eighth is Project Finance, Funding Projects Successfully by EDX. This course provides you with the basic knowledge as well as necessary tools required to create the optimum financing structure for a project and improve its potential to attract funding. The duration of the course is 5 weeks. The concepts covered in this course are finance and project finance, projects risk management, optimizing a legal structure in project finance, and more. 9th is Certificate in Project Finance by Equalifi. This course equips you to develop fundamental competencies in technical, securities, financial and economic market appraisal, external commercial borrowing, term loans, risk assessment and mitigation, lease finance, venture capital, and working capital finance. The concepts covered in this course are Introduction to Project Finance, Market Analysis, Business Model Analysis, Jurisdiction, Legal, and Expert Reports, and more. 10th is Project Finance by FinancialEdge. This is an extensive project finance course that helps you learn about risk management, the accounting specifics, and the way to structure the finances behind a project. It enables you to build both a simple and advanced project finance model. The concepts covered in this course are Introduction to Project Finance, Risk Management in Project Finance, Financing the Project, Accounting for Project Finance, and more. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.